So we are going to discuss about the difference between the climate and weather. Climate is the average of the atmospheric condition, okay, and weather is the condition, or you can say a state of a atmosphere, okay. So in climate, basically, when we talk about climate, it is about a particular country, okay. But when we talk about weather, it is about a particular city. So weather, we talk about a particular place, a small area. But when we talk about climate, it is about a large area. It can be a country, okay. Then third point is climate is basically for a long period of time. Usually you can say 35 years, because we are taking the average of the atmospheric condition. So we take the recording of almost 35 years and then we take the average. So it is a, for climate is for long period of time, okay. Climate is for long period of time. Then we have this weather is only, we already read that it is for only short period of time. We can say it is for 24 hours or it is for one day, okay. Then in climate, fourth point is it 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 does not change easily, it, because it is for almost the average of 35 years, so it takes so many years to change. So mostly it is fixed only, okay. But if we talk about weather, we see in a daily weather is changing, so it is never static or it is never fixed, it keeps on changing every day. So this is the difference between the climate and the weather. And suppose if we say ki what type of climate India experiences, so India experiences hot tropical climate, so it will be a climate. And if I talk about Ghaziabad, what type of weather you are experiencing nowadays, so cloudy days you are having, so that is the weather. And if we talk about the hot tropical climate, then it is the climate of India. So climate is average of atmospheric condition. Climate is average of atmospheric condition, and weather is the condition of state, condition or state of the atmosphere, okay. Climate is for a large area, you can say for India or Italy. So it when we talk about a particular large area or a country, we will talk about only climate. But when we talk about a particular city, atmospheric conditions of a city, we will say how is the weather there, ठीक है. अगर आपको ये पूछना है, somebody is living in France, your friend, so you will ask how is the climate in France, ठीक है. और अगर आपको पेरिस का पूछना है, तो you will ask how is the weather in Paris, क्योंकि Paris is a city and France is a country. Understood? So और क्लाइमेट जो होता है लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए होता है, और वेदर जो होता है इट इज ओनली फॉर वन डे. क्लाइमेट इज स्टैटिक, मतलब कि फिक्स्ड होता है, whereas weather is never static, means it is not fixed, okay. Understood? I hope you are clear with this. This is the sun and this is earth. Now we have this 0 degree, this is the equator, right? Then this is North Pole, you know, and this is South Pole. Anybody has any problem till here? So now when the sun rays are coming towards the earth, okay, you can see sun rays are coming towards the earth. So you will find out the distance between the sun and the earth, ठीक है. It is not same. If you will look at the equator, it is minimum, okay. Here it is minimum, okay, at the equator at 0 degree. But as you move towards North Pole or South Pole, you will see the distance between the sun and the North Pole or the South Pole is the maximum. So you can you please tell me, can you please tell me which part of the earth will be receiving the maximum heat or maximum sun rays? You can type and tell me. Yes, equator. Equator receives direct sun rays. So that's why it has a very hot climate. And as we move towards the pole, so the poles are receiving the slanting sun rays. See, you can see distance is too much. Okay, here as compared to equator. So because of that, okay, because of that, you know, the rays which are coming from the sun, they are, you know, they are not having too much heat. Okay, so because of that, the temperature at the poles, north pole and south pole, as compared to the equator, it is very less.